Hi guys, it's Kristin with apokreations, and I am going to be doing these gnomes. The mold is from Molds and Shapes. I think this is the mid-size because they also have some smaller keychain size ones. And I am going to be doing I do have to find some kind of flesh color or something. Piece of tape. Where'd tape go? Yeah, I gotta get some more tape. And I will be trying. I gotta find something for the nose. I don't know. Maybe I'll do pink. I don't know. So I'm going to be doing the gloves and the shoes in Blue Thistle from Laura's Art Corner. And the hat I'm going to be doing in Candy Apple Blossom. And then the actual, and then again, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the nose. But then I am going to use the Let's Resin white, the pre-made, well, I say pre-made, you know what I mean. Oops, that's the thing for the black. The Let's Resin white epoxy. Okay. I was gonna say I did wash this out with soap and water, hoping to get a little of the static out. But alas, it did not go as planned. So, oh well. Area over the stem. Actually, put a little on the stem. Not that it really matters, not that anybody's going to be able to see it, but you never know. Yeah, I'll be having to do a little cleanup here. No big deal. I am going to clean these up, and I will be back when I'm done doing that. All right, be right back. All right, so I got all my resin mixed up, and it's about 10 cc's. It's 10 something. Yeah. My brain is not draining right now. Ounces. That's where I was going with this. All right, so I'm gonna put this in my G3. I don't know why, like a song just popped in my head and I don't know where it came from. Here, because this is the main show. I'm sure I'm gonna have to be doing some extra stuff to it. Still got the red. Of course, red is always a fickle pigment. Oh, I still had a piece of glitter. Dag nabbit. So I'm gonna take my paint pen and go around this with black. And that way it breaks up the outline between the gloves. And really, that's kind of the main spot where it's I had some, I still had some of that powder. So let me get my black paint pen and I'll be right back. Okay, so instead of doing black, I decided to do 2 in gold and 1 in silver. Alrighty. So now I just have to wait for this to dry a little bit. I will get some glamour shots. Hope you guys liked watching my gnome creation, or gonks if you're in the UK. Do me a favor and like, subscribe, share the video if you wouldn't mind. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to get my channel to grow, so any assistance would be wunderbar. and I'll see you guys for the next one. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.